Hello everyone, today we're back with a new video about how to program a TFT screen, whether it's with or without touch, using any kind of microcontroller. I have a few TFT and SPI screens here and two microcontrollers, but it really doesn't matter which microcontroller or which TFT screen you have. You can program everything easily, write your own code, and no matter what kind of interface or address your screen uses, you can make it work with this guide. Here I have a screen that fits Arduino ESP32 in real size or D1, but again it doesn't matter because this is mainly about the coding. I wrote a small project here, a touchscreen LED controller with different modes. The first important thing is to know which pins are for touch and which ones are for data. Those are your screen pins. We're using the MCUFriend.kbv library. It comes with two example codes, one for diagnosing the touch pins and one for screen data. When you upload the touch diagnose sketch, you can see in the Arduino IDE's serial monitor which pins are used for touch. Write them down. Then upload the screen diagnose sketch to get information about your screen, like the size and the address needed for coding. Once you have this data, you can upload one of the example sketches to see if your screen works. You can find test code in the library. I've uploaded it here and I can see what colors the screen recognizes. You'll notice that sometimes the colors are wrong, like blue looks yellow, yellow and green looks like purple. Then you swap them in your code, because each TFT screen can interpret colors differently. After that, you can write your own code. If you don't know how to write it, you can give your screen's data to an AI and it will help you write the correct code. Without these informations, AI can't write any code for you, no matter how long you try. Okay, here I've written a simple paint code. I can run it on any screen, any TFT, regardless of the brand, board or size. It's important to know which pins are for touch and what size your screen is. If you use AI to generate your code, you can press the top left and bottom right corners on the screen and give those serial monitor coordinates to the AI, and it will understand your screen dimensions. Then I wrote a simple LED controller code. With this code you can control different LEDs, and I also added a small buzzer for sound feedback on touch. I even added a small music code and a few extra modes like blinking or running light animations using loops. Of course, I can keep adding more features as long as the board has enough memory. I used an Arduino Uno here, but I could also use an ESP32, and with that I could control my smart home system using this screen. So there are many possibilities with TFT screen. I can give you my code, and if you need custom codes, just leave a comment and I'll send them by email or upload them to my GitHub page. This is the best tutorial you'll find anywhere. I hope you now understand how to work with TFT screens. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I'm happy to help. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.